Ladies and gentlemen, we're back.
Hi everyone, Jan here from Jan's Yard. Welcome to my channel. I'll be doing some 11cm bamboo coasters, and I'll be using the Stuck-Up Pigs pigments. This one is Boastful, goes from green to blue, has an amazing color change. I mix it with the Josanja Gloss Varnish, and you really don't need a lot. Yeah, this is my pouring medium, the Malverk. It's a German equivalent to the Floetrol. It's much thicker, but yeah, it works just as fine. So I put in like half a teaspoon, as you can see, and you really don't need much of this Stuck-Up Pigs. Yes, it's much more expensive than the TOPs, but it goes a long way. As you'll see, I'm actually made 8 coasters with this mix that I'm making here. I'll only show the 4 today. The other 4 I'll show you later. These ones that I did today, I used a black cell activator, and I'm making a blowout on the coaster. The ones that the other 4 that I made, here you can see the color shift really well. The other ones that I made, I did with a gold cell activator. Now, once you mix these Stuck-Up Pigs, do not freak out. When you put in the pouring medium, it will look gray. It'll be hard to see the color shift. You can maybe, if you put it and have it in at the right angle in the light, you can see some color changing in there, but it turns gray, as you'll also see in a second when I show it to you. So yeah, I will just go ahead and put on some music for you. Enjoy. Do stick till the end. You will see the wet results, but you'll also see the finished resined pieces. Oh, and by the way, as you probably saw in the beginning, we have a collaboration this coming weekend on Sunday, so please go check that out. There'll be a playlist up soon, but yeah, please come check it out, Pouring with the Fellas. And with that said, thank you for joining me again. You all have a wonderful day, and I'll be playing some music for you for the rest of the time. Bye!
Let your body take control. You're on my
as you can see here, it's really hard to see the color shift. It looks kind of gray, but trust me, in just a few seconds you'll see the resin results. Again, it's a little hard to show on camera like this, but you'll definitely see the difference. So enjoy.